Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here, coming to you with another super cool, new and exciting product from Speedwerx. We're adding to our lift kit lineup. We have the new CF Moto UForce 1000 here with us, and it has our 2.5-inch lift kit. If you're interested and you like what you're hearing, just click the link below. It'll take you right to the product on our website. You can order it. You can see all the specifications. Anything else you need to know, it's right there. But if you want more information, stay tuned. So 2.5-inch lift kit, again, on the CF Moto UForce 1000. You know, if you're looking for added ground clearance, if you're looking for more clearance to fit bigger tires, or you just want your machine to look bigger, beefier, tougher, cooler, this lift kit's what you want for sure. Just like a lot of our other billet or other lift kit lines, we CNC the blocks out of billet aluminum. They look super trick, they're super tough, they're super burly. It's not this flimsy laser cut steel bracket stuff where you get a freaking 3 bags of nuts and bolts and you're piecing and cobbling stuff together. This is built the Speedwerx way. You know, it's probably more expensive than other kits on the market, but it's the nicest, it's the toughest, and it's the best looking. So as you can see here, we have our rear blocks that'll mount back up in there. They'll do a cutaway and they'll show you how these fit in there, but it's just your stock suspension bolt used to go here and you relocate to here. And then we have our fronts. Same thing, stock bolt used to be here, relocates us up to here, and then it ties into the A-arm here. Comes with instructions, comes with all your mounting hardware. Again, CF Moto UForce 1000. These kits retail for $299. It's a 2.5-inch lift kit. They're available on our website. If you guys have any questions, let us know.